Hey, and welcome to Witchcrafty. I love D&D and I wanted to get into dice making, and I thought I could make a D20 that's a bit more relevant to what I currently post on my channel, so I made a D20 plushie. This is the perfect creation for someone who either wants to roll up to the game with a behemoth of a D20, or someone that just wants more D&D things around the house. Here's a list of everything that I used to create this. The colour of the fabric is down to whatever colour combination you think would suit your dice best. To make the edges more rigid, you can glue cardboard triangles to each side if you wish to also. Pause here if you need to. The pattern is available for free from my DeviantArt. To be honest, the numbering can be improved, so if you wanted to use a stylized font to print out in roughly the same size, that may be a better alternative than using my pattern. The first thing you need to do is to sew the numbers 3, 6, 9, 16 and 19 onto the centre of their triangles on the side with no tracing. Once you're done, on the tracing side, sew the 3 beside the 19 so that the 19 is on the right of the 3. Continue your stitch along and sew the 16 on the left side of the 3. Beside the 19, join the 9 on. And lastly, the 6 in the middle of the 9 and 16. That's one side completed. Then take the numbers 2, 5, 12, 15 and 18 and sew them to the centre of their triangles on the side with no tracing using a running stitch or a backstitch. Once done, repeating the same method with the first side, sew the 2 so that the 18 is beside it. Beside the 18, sew on the 8. After the 5, sew the 15 on the right of it. And lastly, sew the 12 between the 15 and 2 to complete the other dome. Take the remaining numbers and sew them onto the centre of their triangles. These numbers will be used for the centre strip. For the first half of the strip, take the 1 and 13 and sew the 13 beside the 1 on the right side so that it's upside down. Then, beside the 1, sew the 7 on so it's upside down on the left. On the left of the 7, join 17 so it's upright. And lastly, join the 10 so it's upside down beside the 17. Take the number 8 and the number 20 and sew the 20 so it's upside down beside the 8. On the left of the 20, join 14 so it's upright. Then, join the 4 upside down beside 14 and 11 so that it's upright beside 4. Join both of these strips in the centre so the upside down 10 meets the upright 8. Turn this long strip into a circle by joining the upside down 13 to the upright 11. With the tracing facing up for all pieces, take the dome with the number 2 and sew it to the strip so it meets the upside down 20, making 18 above 10. Then take the second dome and begin joining it so that the 16 is below 8 and the 6 is below 17. Before you finish your stitch on the last triangle, flip the D20 so the numbers face up and then stuff it generously. And finally, conceal the open gap with an invisible stitch. And that is how you make a D20 plushie. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and comment down below on ideas that you'd like to see me make next. And while you're at it, why don't you go check out my other videos? I upload new videos every single week. Thanks for watching, bye!